Meet TEEPTRAK. This is a live performance dashboard, fed directly by a sensor on the machine. No integration with your ERP or PLC required. Everything you see refreshes automatically every 30 seconds. At a glance, the machine is running, and you can see the exact product in production with its real pace against the theoretical pace, 182 packs per minute right now. 3 live gauges track what matters: OEE, availability, and quality rate over the last 24 hours. No spreadsheets, no manual reporting, just live truth from the shop floor. Every loss is captured and ranked automatically. The Pareto shows your top loss causes over the last 24 hours, right next to a live product count. The machine timeline tells the story of the shift. Green is production. Red is a stop. Every event is time-stamped automatically, down to the second. Maintenance teams get their numbers too. Mean time between failures, mean time to repair, and the 7-day OEE trend. Always current, always visible. When a stop happens, operators classify it in 2 clicks. Pick the stop, choose a cause, add a comment. That is how unknown downtime becomes actionable knowledge. And performance history shows the bigger picture, hour by hour, day by day, so you can see improvements the moment they happen. TEEPTRAK. Plug it on any machine, see your real OEE in days, not months. Book a demo at teeptrak.com.